Mahbuba,
Yes. Yes.
you go next.
I should give more time to work with my workshop and videos and teamwork. I have to follow your instruction and I have to more active on my chat, need to set up meetings and actually need to my requirements. Need to understand my requirements. That's why I am behind.
Yeah.
I have to follow your instructions and I can say you did everything, but I have to follow you and I have to follow your instruction.
Okay. So I don't know if you guys know this. I think she and I am almost the same age. We had a couple like the confrontation, so you guys don't know this. Because I felt she always says she doesn't know it, but I know that she knows. So I put her son to help her, but it did not work. So because we do the baby steps here from the step by step, if someone just 100% focus what we do, how we do, like the copy. Look, I'm just copying my mentor. That's it. That's all I'm doing. I do not know right. I do not know the left. I do not know the up. I do not know behind. I don't care anything. All I know that my mentor said it, I will do this. This is just more than enough that you will be getting it done properly. Getting it done properly means if you're a slow learner, if you learn 60%, success. If you're a quick learner, if you learn 100%, success. Both are success. Why? 60% people can catch up in 2 months and reach the 100%. But the moment you are not focused, you are doing something different than what we do, it is very difficult. And then, so I hope you understand that. Focus on what we do, what we show here. This is all you need.
Yes, I will follow your instruction. Yes.
Thank you.